Hello everyone, this is Mark. First, I will introduce in our door access. First, you can see it in my hand. This is our sample.
언제부터 야간을 탈지 설.
We can make many colors for you. This is a different style. You can see this is our we can do this color. You can choose. This is our aluminum door glass. You can see it. We can do the 5 millimeters and 8 millimeters. This is 18 millimeters. We can do it one pieces, only one pieces. But this we will do double 5 millimeters. This is our main product, our aluminum doors. This is our sample box. Look. This is our all door glass and all perfume access. And this and this. This is our small sample. This is different size and different color and different thickness. You can see. Look. Thank you.